Gentlemen, long time no see. Would you mind if we got a quick picture? Ready? Okay, cool. Thank you, smile. Okay, amazing. Actually, not amazing. Gentlemen, today we're talking about something very, very, very important. Nobody's ever addressed the picture posing rules for men. Today that changes because I'm going over the top 10 picture posing rules all men should know. First, Alpha M picture posing rule for men is no mean mugging. Stop trying to look all tough and hard. There's nothing that makes you look like a bigger D-bag than when everybody's all smiling and having a good time and there you are. On the flip side, don't be the dude who always makes a stupid face. Everybody knows the guy who's always making funny faces. Stop. Number 3, the third rule, is all about taking a buddy picture. When you're with somebody, right, and you want to show like, yo, we're good friends, you got to touch them, right? One of these arms is going to be around them, and their arm is also going to be around you. Now, how do you decide whether or not you go up top or you go around the body? So if you're the same height or close to the same height, you can always go top of the shoulder, right? And you can both do top of the shoulder. But what happens if one person is shorter than the other person? I'm always the short person in every picture, right? And so what I've come to realize is that if you're shorter, you want to go with the one arm around the body. The taller person then can go around the top. So short person, body, tall person, shoulder. The rule number 4 is for group pictures. It's very similar to going and using a bank of urinals in the bathroom. What do? You're the first one in, bang. You try to be at the end and let everybody else fill in. Same rules apply for pictures. You do not want to be the middle guy in the picture because you're always typically the guy looking awkward. You got to do something, whether or not you cross your hands in the pocket, both around the waist, up here, right? Never go for the middle. A lot of dudes are like, yo, I want to be front and center. I want to be the center of attention. No, you don't. Not in a picture because the middle dude always looks awkward. Instead, what I'd recommend is always go for an end. It allows you a lot of flexibility. It also allows you proper body alignment. And as to the 5th rule, always angle your body towards the camera. All right? A big mistake is that guys center it up, right? You don't want to center it up. 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind, your angle. Turning your body also allows you to angle your face. You see that? Right? It's all about the face angle. The problem now is figuring out what to do with the lost second hand, which is actually the 6th rule. Lost second hand. What do you do with this thing? The finger point, right? This is a very popular and common option and one that I use, but I think I'm going to stop because after seeing me do this all the time, I'm like, what am I pointing at? Why am I pointing? Nobody knows the context of the point, but everybody knows the context of a thumbs up. Thumbs up picture pose is kind of tricky though, right? Because you don't want to be like taking a picture with your girl and giving like the thumbs up because subconsciously somebody sees that and they think, yo, check it out, I'm about to hit this. Gotta act like you've been there before, boys. This or this when you're taking a picture with a woman makes it look like, yo, haha. I am not used to being around or touching incredibly attractive women. Don't be that guy, right? The other option you could do if you are taking a picture with a woman that lost second hand, it could go front pocket. 7th rule for taking incredible pictures for dudes is chin up and out. Taking a picture back here and dropping your chin. What happens when you do that is that it makes your double chin and your neck fat meat come like hanging out. It makes you look like you got 27 chins. Your chin is up and out. Now it's time to move on to the 8th rule, which is always use the smile trick. Focus on pressing your tongue against the back of your teeth and focus on that. What happens when you focus on pressing your tongue against the back of your teeth, all the other muscles in your face relax. And so your expression is a lot more natural. You don't have so many wrinkles and weird stuff going on with your face, and it looks like this. See? Yeah, what's that? My teeth, they are white. Why are they white? Because I use Ollie. Ollie, the incredible new teeth whitening system that will not only transform your smile from average to amazing, it will help you keep your smile dazzling, super sexy white for as long as you use Ollie. Getting and keeping an incredibly white smile has never been easier. Guys, here's how it works. When you go to Ollie, you're going to start with this, which is the transformation kit. Inside, you're going to get 12 treatments along with the shade guide. You use these 12 treatments in the first 30 days. Now, most people use them 12 days in a row, but if your teeth are a little more sensitive, you can space it out a bit. Month number 1, you transform your smile. And then, in order to keep your smile dazzling white, starting in month number 2, you're gonna get this, which is the Ollie Maintenance Pack. Maintenance Pack comes with 4 treatments. You use 1 treatment per week for 4 weeks. You wear each treatment 30 minutes, and your smile is not only going to be a showstopper, you're gonna feel confident, because here's the deal. The reason why we started Ollie is because we felt that every single one of you should have a smile that you're proud of, that you love showing off, because your smile is the most important nonverbal communicating tool that you have. And if you're not proud of your smile, if it's dingy, if it's dark, guys, there's something you can do about it. The beautiful thing about Ollie, they're teeth whitening strips. You stick them on, you can talk on the phone, you can drive, you can wear them just chilling, watching TV. There's no messy gel, there's no trace, there's no crazy bad sensitivity, guys. This just works. So freaking excited about Ollie because I know what it's going to do to you and your confidence, because I know for myself what it means to have an amazingly white smile, and one that I'm not afraid to show people, because when you smile at people, it's letting them know that you're friendly, that you're engaging, that you're warm, that you're honest, that you're trustworthy. If you're hiding it, you're not smiling, you are missing out on so much incredible opportunity. And just looking sexy as hell, gentlemen, it doesn't matter how many teeth you've got in your head. If you're rocking Ollies, those teeth are going to be whiter. Hit that link and get started today. The 9th rule is hold your breath and open your eyes. Don't blink, because nothing ruins a picture than when you're all like chilling and you look like you got crazy lazy eyes. Everybody's taking one of these. Eyes, hold it, they're burning, they're getting dry, but you hold it and you hold your breath. The reason is because when you're holding your breath, it forces you to think about your eyes and keeping them open. It also prevents you from breathing and looking like you got a big gut in the picture. And last, but certainly not least, should be first, is the 10th rule for taking pictures. And that is, if you're going to have a picture taken, have your phone ready to take the picture. Nothing is more annoying when everybody's like, oh, hey, excuse me, could you take a picture? You're killing the shit out of the picture pose, right? And you're holding it and all your friends are holding it and everybody's ready. Meanwhile, that stranger that's taking time out of their day to help you out is fumbling with your phone, can't find your camera, stumbles upon the naked pic you sent your weird Uncle Barry. And that's it, gentlemen. 10 picture posing rules all men should follow. You think you got it? Makes sense, right? You ready? Are you ready to try it again? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and perfect.